Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today's video we have a Ripple news to cover. We have NFTs, XRPL, the security lawsuit updates, and an XRP price prediction that we are going to cover. A little bit of technical analysis, and this price prediction here is from 55 specialists that was chosen by Finder, so we are going to cover that and everything about Ripple and XRP right now. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, very quick, a little bit of technical analysis for Ripple XRP token. Well, we have been in this downtrend since May of 2021. We didn't have a new all-time high, but we have this local high at almost $2. From here we are going down here. So this line of resistance, this violet line, it will be a very important resistance line here. So I am waiting to see how the price reacts on that. We are at 48 cents right now. We have a parabolic rally here from 30 cents to 55 cents. And if you remember my tweeters, I shorted here at 43 around this area because it was the first time that we came to test this rectangle of resistance that before was support during 2021 and was resistant 2020, and all the way here, all the time that we entered here was support. So the first time that we are going to enter here, for me was clear it will be a very big resistance area. So I shorted XRP here with leverage, was a very good trade. But remember that I am bullish on the long term. And if I put a Fibonacci extension here on this parabolic run that we have, you can see that we come back and tested the 0.618. We were inside the golden pocket Fibonacci extension. From there we recover, we come back and test it again, and again after hitting again 54 cents, we come back and tested the 0.5. So my expectation is that we still could go back and test these levels again. So this will be from 41 to 44 cents. So I am actually continue watching these levels that now could be support. And if you extend those lines, you can see here that was a resistance here. So it's now acting as support on these areas. So these are the price to watch to the downside, and to the upside still we have this very big rectangle of resistance. More news for the SEC and Gary Gensler. Gensler supports granting CFTC more power over spot markets. And this declaration I think is very bullish for the crypto space. The SEC has been taking all the responsibility for their own about the crypto space, and that doesn't seem correct. The SEC chair Gary Gensler supports expanding his former agency's power over digital assets markets beyond its current role in futures and derivatives. I think the CFTC could well have greater authorities. They currently do not have direct regulatory authorities over the underlying non-security tokens, Gensler told in a conference in Washington. The CFTC itself has pushed for direct authority over digital assets that the US classifies as commodities. Those currently consist of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. So Gensler suggested last month that the latter could be a security. So they are giving up a little bit of power, but right now they only have power with Bitcoin, which is the only one that the SEC is really saying that is a commodity. So let's see how this continues, but getting power out of the SEC, out of Gensler into another regulatory entities, I think is a very, very good news. And please stay tuned because today we are going to see some XRP price predictions, so you are interested on that, please keep watching the video. Also, Kaiko research analyst on Ripple's legal troubles and XRP rally. This was a question and answer interview. I didn't get too much value from this, but I am not happy with what I read here. They said in terms of XRP, I haven't seen anything to indicate that the outcome of this trial could change anything significantly on a global scale. And I'm not okay with that sentence, because if XRP is finally considered a security and not a commodity, I think Ripple is going to go out of America and install maybe in Europe or Asia, and that will clearly affect the crypto space in America. And we will be really behind Europe, behind China in terms of adoption of cryptocurrencies, and Asia especially. And I think that is not a good image, not a good strategy for the US. So I really think that this lawsuit, it will impact the crypto space heavily in a global scale. So I am not really okay with that. And moving into XRP price prediction, the Finder experts expect that XRP to spike to $3.81. I don't know why they put 81 exactly. By 2025 if Ripple wins the SEC lawsuit. So let's check this XRP price prediction and comment about them. So the Finders experts believe the XRP could spike to $3.81 per unit by the end of 2025 if Ripple wins the lawsuit. This came from 55 specialists chosen by Finder that have shared their predictions concerning XRP's future value. So one of them is if Ripple Labs does win the lawsuit by 2025, it could jump to $3.81 per unit. However, Finder's panelists say that XRP will be worth 0.98 by 2025 if Ripple Labs loses the lawsuit. And 45% think that could drop below 0.5 if the firm loses against the US regulator. Another prediction is from Dion Julian. This is the global head of PR and communications of Gate.io, the exchange. And he thinks that if Ripple wins the lawsuit, then it will be worth $2 by 2025 and 0.75 per XRP if XRP Labs lose. So what do you think, guys, about these predictions? They say $2 and 3.81 if XRP and Ripple wins the lawsuit. From 0.5 to $1 if they don't win the lawsuit. I really think that we are going to have a very big hype first if Ripple wins. So I will be preparing to trade that. And I think we are going to spike very quick. If we are at 50 cents, I think we can go to $1 or even $1.30. We are going to really spike. And from there we are correct. I am expecting to correct maybe to 80 cents. And from there, I think we are going to start going up again smoothly. And for 2025, which is May 2025, where I predict the next bull run peak also, I think XRP could be at $3 or $4 for sure. I really think so. So put your comments below. What do you think about this price prediction on these 55 specialists chosen by Finder? What is your price prediction for XRP in the next peak of the bull run if we win the lawsuit or if we lose it? And if you are bullish in XRP and Ripple as a whole, not only XRP the token, I recommend you to check my video how to buy Ripple company stocks, not XRP. This is a step-by-step video on how to buy stocks on Ripple, because besides XRP and the users of XRP, I really believe the company Ripple is like the Amazon of internet. And I think they are going to eventually be a big company in the crypto space. So that way I also am comfortable to buying stocks of Ripple right now. And of course they are going to be valued a lot more when they go public. So check this video on how to buy Ripple stocks. And don't forget to click the like icon, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications so you don't miss any Ripple news. Moving into more technical news. Here's when the XRPL NFTs may appear as amendment fixes in final stages. A new standard for creating complex NFT applications on XRP Ledger may appear as early as the beginning of November. This conclusion follows from a post on the XRPL website. The NFT amendment was postponed in mid-September when a critical bug in its operation was discovered. The creators of the new NFT standard on XRPL were at risk of losing money. Then the vote to implement XLS 20 was rolled back and a new vote to fix the bug was launched. The XRPL enthusiasts have only to wait until the vote is over and the fix is enabled, which could happen as soon as October 27. Next, if all goes according to the plan, the 2-week vote to implement the amendment will be relaunched. We expect the new NFT standard on XRP Ledger to be implemented by November 10. So we are 3-4 weeks from that date, guys. So it's not too much in order to get this done. And lastly, more news about the XRP SEC lawsuit. The Ripple community expects to see the SEC motion for reconsideration of Judge Torres' ruling on Hitman's document. And this is following how the SEC has fought to continue the delay surrounding the documents. Many people expect that the agency to file a motion for reconsideration. And this was also a comment for the attorney Sean Deaton. I could be wrong, but I predict we will see a motion for reconsideration at 7-9 p.m. tonight, the attorney Deaton said. This was a Twitter from yesterday. In the meanwhile, Fred Rispoli, this is the chief legal counsel and Ripple Financial LLC, is confident that it is unlikely that Judge Torres will reconsider her ruling on the matter, which took her over a month to review and write. Rispoli further said that the reconsideration request would badly damage the SEC legal position. He added that the most suitable option for the SEC is to file a request to appeal Judge Torres' decision, but that also it will look very, very bad for the SEC. But for sure, I really think also, like the community, that they are going to delay it as much as possible. So feeling that to get a reconsideration would win a couple of more weeks for the SEC. Guys, that is all for this video. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoCState so you don't miss anything. CryptoCState in Twitter. And be sure to put correctly, because there are many scams. I will never message you first, but I put things in Twitter that you don't see in my videos. So guys, that is all for the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.